Hey, what's up?
So what happened between us was a one-time thing. It will never happen again. Ever.
Excuse me, what? Hi, I should explain. Let me take this story 5 years back. So I was interning at a hotel property in Mumbai. It was my first day at the job and I was working in the coffee shop. Coffee shop means जहाँ breakfast, lunch और dinner का buffet setup था. I don't know, everybody called it coffee shop there. और यहाँ पे कॉफी छोड़ के बाकी सब मिलता था. I mean, कॉफी भी मिलती थी. और मुझे वहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं जानता था और ना मैं किसी को जानती थी. So I walked in and I saw this guy and he understood that I was new and so he came up to me and he asked me if I was new here. Let's call him Ray. मुझे उसका असली नाम यूज करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. उसका नाम बहुत बड़ा था और ऑनेस्टली चोमू सा नाम था. Hi, I'm Ray. Are you new here? Yeah. I don't really tell anybody my name in the first meeting. तो उसने मुझे बोला कि he'll teach me how everything works there. और उसने मुझे बताया कि ऑर्डर कैसे लेते हैं और कहाँ जाके ऑर्डर देना है एंड ऑल, जो कि बहुत आसान है, कोई भी अनपढ़ गवार भी कर लेगा. Cut to a few days later. So I've been allocated to the same location. And I meet him again. Turns out वो महाराष्ट्रन था and we kind of clicked. He was a bit shorter for my taste, but it wasn't a problem. Well, unless his personality was total shit. So anyways, उसने मुझे Instagram पे request भेजी and I accepted it. And all of my Instagram is only and only about my art. And I get a text from him. Hey, you are so talented. I've never seen such cool art before. Do you want to be friends? I was way too overwhelmed with his text. And I said, thank you. Sure. A few days passed और हम हर रोज मिलते थे at work and chat करते थे. And there was subtle flirting involved and well, I went with it too. And I realized I had started liking him. But obviously मैं लड़की हूँ, लड़की होकर मैंने अगर अपनी feelings पहले express कर दी तो लड़की के नाम पे कलंक हूँ मैं. So I kept it to myself. So one day after work I went home and like usual I texted him. Hey, what's up? मेरा breakup हो गया है. What the fuck? Breakup? एक मिनट. You were in a relationship? Then why were you flirting with me? Why were you even talking to me like I'm the first girl you have talked to? I had 100 questions in my mind. फिर मेरे दिमाग में एक यूजलेस सा थॉट आया. भाई ये तो मजाक कर रहा है. ऐसे ही गर्लफ्रेंड होकर कौन सा लड़का दूसरी लड़कियों के साथ फ्लर्ट करता है और आई मिस यू एंड आई विश यू आर हियर विद मी राइट नाउ ऐसे बोलता है ना? ही अप्रैल फूल्स.
बहन अगस्त का महीना चल रहा था.
So I sent him a text like, now you see, from my perspective, it was a joke. But from his, well, why are you laughing? You know what? I can't talk right now. Bye. Huh? Was he not kidding? Well, he was flirting with me and texting me all the time. How could I ever guess that he has a girlfriend? Right? उसके बाद हमने कुछ दिनों तक बात नहीं की. Until we made amends and started talking again. He used to tell me about his girlfriend and how he was feeling since the breakup. और मैं उसे बताती थी कि सब ठीक हो जाएगा and it's okay. And also he told me that I told her about you and how you are such a good artist and how close we are. Huh? Wait, what? We're close? I guess it didn't matter because they broke up anyway. He told me his relationship was going on for 4 years until now. I felt so bad for him. मैंने सोचा कौन सी लड़की होगी जो 4 साल बाद ब्रेकअप कर रही है. I mean, what a bitch. Anyways, it was confirmed that I had feelings for this guy. हो जाती है गलतियाँ यार. जब 20 साल से लड़कों को एक के बाद एक मना करने के बाद एक्साइट तो होना ही था मुझे. जब पता चला that this is a two-way thing. उसके पहले मेरी लाइफ कुछ ऐसी थी.
जो लड़की हमें चाहिए उसे हम नहीं चाहिए और जिसे हम चाहिए वो किसको चाहिए.
And I was upset that I really like this guy and he's going through this breakup and I should support him and not think about me selfishly. Right? Wrong. और फिर एक दिन मुझे उसका टेक्स्ट आता है. Hey, where are you? I'm at work. And I was upset so I was sending him these very dry texts. And उसको लगा that something is wrong with me and he felt the need to come and make it right with me and give me a shoulder to cry on. I was basically sitting idle at work because there weren't any guests around and I was alone in the entire hall waiting for the guest. But little did I know that the event was cancelled and nobody told me. तो मैंने उसे बताया कि I'm in the hall. To which he said, you seem down. I'm fine. I'm coming. Hey, no, there's no need. I'm coming. मैंने तो no बोला था.
तो खुश क्यों हो रही है?
After a while I see him and he calls me near him. तो मैं बैक एरिया में गई उसे मिलने. He saw my face and he said, "Why aren't you smiling? You look so dull. Do you want a hug?" I was speechless. मैंने उससे कुछ नहीं कहा और मैं बस जमीन की तरफ देख रही थी. So he hugs me by himself. And that hug, way too tight. Like, I'd die because of the lack of oxygen. So this is what I'm thinking. I was happy that at least he came to cheer me up and maybe we could just be friends and I should just leave these feelings alone and let's kiss. Huh? And by the time I could say anything or react, he twirled me and leaned me against the wall and started kissing me. In those first 7 seconds, मैं बहुत confused हो गई थी कि भाई ये क्या हो रहा है? और ये पहली बार था that I've been kissed by a guy who gave me butterflies all over. It felt like I might have just found the guy I would want to be with. मैं खुश थी. Actually कुछ ज़्यादा ही खुश थी. And I couldn't express how I was feeling. I was on top of the world. So I happily met my friends and went to have lunch with them. खाते वक्त भी I was so happy because no guy had done that before. It was like a whole movie scene. It was hot and it was intense. And it was going on in my mind in slow motion. While I was enjoying that moment in my mind, I was disturbed by my ringtone. It was Ray. Hey you, what's up?
Listen, see, whatever happened between us, it was just a one-time thing and it'll never happen again. Ever.
What? Why are you saying that?
मैंने अपनी गर्लफ्रेंड से पूरी तरह ब्रेकअप नहीं किया है.
What do you mean?
I mean, I'm still kind of with her.
This was the worst thing that I could hear in my life. To think that I had come between two people who have been dating for last 4 years. My heart started beating faster than usual. I started sweating and feeling cramped. I felt like it was all my fault, which in truth wasn't because I had been blindsided by this guy. And most importantly, was I responsible for this? Hi! I felt like this video was getting way too long. And of course I couldn't share the entire story in one video because there are more things that had happened. मुझे पूरी story बतानी है and since this is my first video in a very long time, I wanted to keep it a bit short. I'm working on part 2 and if you finished watching this video completely, I am so happy that you did. क्योंकि बहुत time हो गया मुझे YouTube पे post किए and yeah, I'll see you in the next part. Bye!